Alright, so I'm back. Came, met in the middle, tied my knots. Now I'm just getting ready to run it through. Again, this makes it so much easier so you can retrieve that needle. Make sure everything's pulled out. And again, I'm going to leave my tails just a little bit longer. But everything's all inside, so I don't need to get my fingers down in there to try and retrieve anything. Alright, so now this is basically done. It's functional. Would I use it this way? No, because the leather still has not been treated. It's still raw. That means that dirt can eat right into the leather and all that other good jazz. So it won't last if I just leave it at this. So I will need to dye it. I'm going to need to reshape it here too. Re-wet everything, make sure it dries in the shape that I need it to. That way by the time I put the dye and everything on there, which the dye is incredibly drying by the way, so is the clear coat polish. At least everything will kind of shrink down into place like it needs to be. So that way it will hold its shape and mold just fine. I'm going to go ahead and wrap that metal in a plastic baggie as soon as I can get in my drawer to get one. This will help keep that metal a little bit dry while the leather dries right down around it. So I want that backing to be flat. Alright. Help me to reshape it. Get my finger in there. And slide the belt through. So this has got to dry in its proper shape. So this will hold the leather in its position, so when it dries this way, it will stay like that. So they're nice and flat, so it'll be flat against the body, which will be really nice and comfortable. And now it's just got to dry. And then after it dries, I'll be applying dye, clear coat polish, be refinishing the edges so they look all nice, and that's it for right now. Now I just gotta wait. A lot of waiting. Alright, see you later.